Your Excellencies, friends and fellow Kenyans, tomorrow I will have the honor, God willing, to thank the numerous people who have helped and walked alongside us during these trying times. But today, on behalf of our family, I would like to first thank the singular group of people who our late father loved above everyone else. You, the people of Kenya. As a family, we have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love, compassion, and support you have shown our family. You continue to carry us as a family, and as a family we are indebted to you. Asanteni, asanteni, asanteni.